Hello everybody. So I have my stash of laundry detergent. Some of it I have had maybe a year or almost a year. I got some open packages and I'll show you the things that I haven't used yet. The first detergent I'm going to show you is the Method Laundry Detergent, 66 loads in the fresh air. I bought this last year and it kind of dried my skin out, but I like the way it smells. It smells so good. So I think what I'm going to have to do is just use a lot less of this so I can use it up, because it was expensive. Sometimes I mop the floors and stuff with it, but it's pretty expensive and I want to use it up. But it cleaned well. I got this pink soap. And this is like for stains. You can wash your clothes with it too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a container, add some water, and wash my clothes. But people have been using this for many years. And I usually just use it for the stains, but yes, and it has a nice soapy smell. The next thing I'm going to show you, you're not going to see the label or anything, is Foca in a container. And I have like 2 or 3 of these containers of Foca. Because you know they have that gray big old plastic bag and I like to separate it. And because that stuff can spill out. But I look over that big bag because it has saved me a lot of money. It cleans my clothes very well and it's a great buy. So in this container is Foca. I have the Foca liquid laundry detergent, which is good. I only see it in this size bottles. It's for all machines, HE and regular machines. And it always smells so good. I don't really add the scent beads with this because the scent is pretty strong. That's a great laundry detergent there. But I like the powder better. I think the powder cleans better. I got the Foreign Tide, and I have another one. And when I see this in the store, y'all know I don't need it, but I still pick it up because it's a good detergent. And like I always say, it doesn't smell like the other Tide, but the cleaning is the same. The cleaning strength is the same. I have some Game Laundry detergent. And of course it smells good. This is the original. You know, I don't know if it's just me or not, but it seems like they be changing this original formula to smell somewhat, because I had brought some maybe about 6-7 months ago and it didn't smell that strong, and I was saying I was going to stop buying it, but it smells strong again. Maybe enough people were complaining to get them to really switch back to that original scent. We have this All, and this is the All with Stain Lift is free and clear, 100 free of perfumes and dyes. So I have just a little bit left here. I don't know, I didn't find it to clean no better than anything else. I think that's what I said on the other review. But I haven't used it in a while. That's something else I need to use up. This is the Roma laundry detergent. Economical and effective. Okay, phosphate free. Now, I don't think the Roma cleans as well as the Foca. So if you get the Roma, you're going to have to add a little Oxy or something to it. Sometimes I also, instead of the Oxy, I put a little bit of dish detergent in there and used this, and it came out pretty good. But sometimes I would find my clothes kind of dingy after a while. And, you know, I didn't like that. It smells good. You can use it for other things too. Cleaning up. I mentioned recently to someone that a lot of this detergent is cheap, but you can use it to clean your house. That makes it really a good deal. Okay, I got the old reliable Tide. I'm looking for the Tide with bleach because I haven't seen it in a while. So next time I go to Walmart, I'm going to look again for that Tide with bleach. It always say that it has the coupons, but where the heck is the coupons? I be looking in there sometimes. I didn't find the coupons, and when I did, the coupons were expired. But yeah, this is a good, reliable, you know, it's kind of expensive, but what I've been doing lately is getting coupons, especially on CVS.com. And they may send you a 40% off and different things, and that's how I get a lot of my detergents. One time I ordered this. Here's another one. Here's another Tide. Ordered this one, had a coupon that cost me $4, and the regular price was, I think, $17.99, and then they made it to $12.99. But yeah, I got this for $4. So I couldn't turn that down. So another one that I use, and I still have a decent amount left, is the Persil. I think Persil is one of my favorite laundry detergents. It cleans really well, and it has a strong scent. Now, I don't like a strong scent all the time. That's why I got a lot of different detergents. But this here always smells good. You don't have to use that scent beads and stuff. I think I've mentioned sometime before that there was a time when we didn't need all them scent beads or something. The detergent just had all the fragrance that you needed. You know, you didn't have to add all that stuff. So now I'm going to show you, I got a Blanca Nieves, and this is one. I was getting ready to say $169. No, this was $1.69, and this is another one. It doesn't work as well as that Foca, but you can add the Oxy to it or a little dish detergent. And I have another one here, a bigger bag. And these are not for, I don't think this is HE machines. Let me look and make sure. Yeah, these are not HE. They need to make more of the powder detergents HE, because I think I like powder more than the liquids. The liquids are good though, like for black clothes, dark clothes, and you don't want no kind of powdery residue. But I use this a lot to soak my clothes, like overnight, and especially if you have a stain or something. But yeah, this is not as strong as Foca, but it's decent. But the price, I think I paid, let me see if I see the price up here. This was either $2.99 or something like that. Good price for it. And you saw this is $1.69. I have another Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy 10 times duty. It's heavy duty laundry detergent. Now, I brought this a while ago, but I haven't used much of it. It cleans very well. And it smells good, but it's not as strong as Tide used to be. And I've noticed a lot of people, especially with the original scent, they're complaining they said that they don't like the new original scents. Bring back the old. I do like the old original. And then you have some people saying it's too strong and it's this and that. And if you don't like strong detergents after you try one and it's too strong, don't buy it anymore. And then you don't have to worry about that. But like I said, sometimes I like a strong fragrance, sometimes I don't. So my last laundry detergent, I've had this for a while and I've been using it too. And it's the Arm & Hammer Mega Value 170 loads. Powerfully clean, naturally fresh, and a clean burst. Okay. So it was very heavy. It cleans well, y'all. But what I found, what I didn't like, and it's my fault, it doesn't smell good when you wash clothes by hand or you wash in the machine and hang it up. It smells kind of strange. So for this, you would have to add maybe a little scent bead to it. It is a stronger smell. Or use it if you're using a dryer. Now, if you're using a dryer, it comes out pretty good. But not for hanging stuff to dry. And I do the majority of my clothes like that. I hang them to dry because that dryer can destroy your clothes. You'll notice that your clothes will start getting faded and started looking old. So I may put the towels in the dryer, jeans, stuff like that, but most of my stuff I hang up to dry. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you my stash of laundry detergents. I'm wondering, do I have some that I put away, or I don't know what I did with it. I know sometimes when my sister and my mother come, especially my sister, I give her laundry detergent because I always have a lot of it. You know, and I gave some to my daughter months ago. But yeah, I'm always stocked up. I do share. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different for this channel, but I will be coming with more content, y'all. It's hard doing 2 channels. It's hard. Sasha Monique Talks is my main channel. I have some laundry detergent reviews over there, and I review a lot of other products, but this channel is strictly soap products, soap and suds and stuff like that. Okay, so I will talk to you again soon. Bye now.